Okay, let's see if I can talk through this. Hey everybody, hi Fluid Nation. I want to show you I'm using my new canvas light, which was a birthday present from my father-in-law, one of my biggest fans. I'm going to be pouring some crystals with my counterculture culture cast. And these first crystals are from at classic molds on Instagram. I've been dying to do these ever since I received them for Christmas and COVID, Christmas, blah, 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 New Year's. Just now getting to it. From the last two are from Art for Start, all the way in Lithuania. When pouring crystals, I always like to give it a squirt of alcohol to keep from maybe having bubbles in them since I don't use a pressure pot. And so right here I'm squirting, that's a new one, spritzing the molds and getting ready to pour in the resin. Now, what I do is I pour very slowly and close to the mold. Again, to keep from getting bubbles in the mold. Let's watch. Now these little feathers, I want to see if I can make some earrings with them. They're so pretty and delicate. It's a shallow mold, so it should be perfect for earrings. And I scrape the excess. I don't like to overfill these shallow ones, so I just scrape the excess off the top over into the uh, next feather. Now I'm finishing up some of my wine stoppers that I have been waiting to do. There's always something to do, isn't there? These have been a real treat to make, and I enjoy making them, and I've sold a ton. So this won't be done and set and dried until, excuse me, probably about 10 o'clock tonight. So either I'll demold tonight at 10 o'clock and add it to this, or I'll do it tomorrow morning. I've been doing a lot of reels. That's why you haven't heard, hey, Fluid Nation. So, with that, I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of this little video. I hope your New Year's started off wonderful. Thanks for watching.